Good afternoon, everybody. Crafty Bee
and Stitch
coming at you. Oops, I wasn't going to say that. What we have decided to do is to make this little table to sit next to the driver's seat, and we're using nothing but what we had laying around the shop. Am I correct?
Well, not just laying around the shop, leftovers from the stuff that we put in the bus, and there was surplus. So, what better way to make use of the scraps and make something cool?
Right, we use
functional.
Functional. You got to have a drink holder. We all know that is key. So this is going to hold a drink and a plate with a sandwich on it while you're going down the road, or peanut M&Ms, or a phone, or Cheez-Its, egg in a cup. Anyway, so we're using some particle board that we had left over from the dining table.
Yes.
And that is the piece of laminate that's on the dining table. That's a scrap. This is just, I was just mocking it up here to see if I liked it. And it looks okay. So I'm gluing the top onto the bottom, and I put a hole in that so it would slide over the piece of tubing nicely, and that is what that's going to sit on.
Yes. And then the second layer particle board on top.
And then you ran some screws in there to hold it all together, though we didn't show it.
I did.
I did. So here we got a hole saw. We're going to blow a hole through it. I'm blowing a hole through it so we can put a stainless brushed cup holder. We'll drop in the hole, and I will brush the bottom of the cup holder to match the trim.
The column.
The column and the trim.
Underneath. Right, so here you're just putting the contact cement on the edge to accept that nice ribbon of brushed stainless. Ribbon of
brush. I thought you said ribbonin.
Ribbon of.
Yes, I am. And I'm putting 2 layers of glue on, and I have pre-bent it to fit fairly close because I thought that was important.
Saves a little time.
And there it is. I did not show me sticking it on, but I just stuck it on, and it fit well, and it stayed put, so that's good. Now it's time to throw that laminate on, and
you gotta make sure you put an even layer of, pretty thick layer of that contact cement on and let it dry, both sides, before you put it on. And this is a small job, so just placing it on is easy. When you have a larger job, however, it's important to put little wooden or steel rods underneath the piece of laminate to whatever it is you're adhering to. Otherwise, you'll have a big old mess if it sticks in the wrong place. So
you cannot move it.
No.
And I learned that twice so far on this project. So, but this was, you're right, it was just a small piece, slapped it on there. It was almost exactly the same length as the table, so it was close on one end cutting. Now I'm just cutting the hole out for the drink holder.
Oh, look at that.
Wow,
Just
that was
like
something.
that.
Wasn't that something?
Voila.
It's voila.
Voila.
So there's the piece of pipe that I drug in from my scrap heap,
Yeah.
and it is major overkill.
It's really thick and heavy, but you know what? Hey, we're
what I had.
repurposing.
What I had.
Oh, it's great.
Little 50 grit sandpaper. It's an old belt sander belt that I just ripped into a ribbon. Went back and forth on it for a while, and looks pretty good. I don't know. Should we clear coat that?
It's stainless, right?
It's aluminum.
Oh, it's aluminum, so it may discolor.
No.
No? Okay.
But there it is. You know, it was a quick little project. I'll have to make some kind of plug that will get screwed to the floor that the base will slide over, and then there'll be a couple of,
Set screw?
polished button-head stainless fasteners to hold it. But the top comes off if you need to. But it's not too bad.
Yeah, looks great.
Thanks for watching.